Hello everyone, welcome in Las Vegas. Today we are here at Capgemini booths during Knowledge 25 event by ServiceNow. Today I would like to introduce you our robot which was prepared by Capgemini, intelligent manufacturing community, which would like to show few cases how we can use. I would like to start the production and right now robot is moving. On our booth we are producing the engines for the drones, and as very often happen, unfortunately, on the production, robots have incidents which stop it. It means that production is stopped and cannot be continued. When robot is stopped because of any incidents, this information is automatically and almost in real time sent by Cybus connectivity to the ServiceNow system as a new ticket, which was recorded immediately after situation happened. Information about this incident goes directly to the technician who is informed, and together with assistance of agent AI can resolve the issue. Resolving of the issue includes fixing the situation, starting the production again, and also AI agents allow us to automate the purchasing order of the new spare parts. So currently everything goes quicker and we can resolve problem and start production again. So after a few clicks, our robot is moving again. Next step of our engine drones, as you can see, here is the pre-assembled part which was pre-assembled by our robot. It lands here after production, and operators stay here and perform manual assembly of the next step of the engine. In this moment, we leverage SAP PEO system to support this manual operation of the assembly. Once part comes here, operator which manually assembles the parts can scan the component, click start, and register all of his steps during manual assembly of the engines. Of course, this SAP system is connected with other SAP systems, which allowed us to track what kind of parts were already consumed and how much we already fulfilled the production order. All of those things shows our capabilities as a Capgemini and experience in the intelligence industry.